Sarvebhyaha Namaskaraha. I think we should start now. Who's going to volunteer to chant the Guru Shloka? I think people are all busy with Christmas Eve. Yes, Sanjana, go ahead.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Gurur Sakshat Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha.
Fantastic. The next one.
Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhirga Bhavatu Me Sada.
Fantastic. Last one.
Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhuntu Sahaviryam Karavati Rajasvai Navavavatu
Navadhitamastu
Navadhistamastu
Ma Vidvishavahai
Ma Vidvihavasaavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Fantastic. Awesome. So today we will be seeing one more Saraswati Shloka we will be learning. Before that, before brushing up what we saw in the last class, we will go with this Saraswati Shloka first. Okay. Just give me one moment. I have to open that. We are going to review whatever we saw about Samyuktaksharas in the last class. But before that, we will learn one more shloka today. This is again Saraswati Shloka. We are going to see a brief meaning of it and then also going to learn how to chant this. Is there anybody who can chant this for us today? Who already know? Yes, Sagitya. Yeah, go ahead. Repeat பண்றீங்களா? Very good. அப்படியே பண்ணிடுவோம். Okay, she wants to repeat after me. Let's first chant this once. We all are going to chant. Maybe unmute. Sagitya is going to chant. I'm sorry. Everyone will chant in mute, and Sagitya is going to chant after me. Unmute. Okay. And Sagitya, you have to repeat twice. Okay, after me. Saraswati Shloka.
Saraswati Shloka. Saraswati Shloka.
Ya kuntendu tusharahara dhavala.
Ya kuntendu.
Okay, I will break that. Just give me one moment. Ya kuntendu.
Ya kuntendu.
तुषारहारधवला
तुषारधरा
तुषारहारधवला
अदला
या शुभ्र
या शुभ
वस्त्रावृता
वस्त्राविद्रा
once again वस्त्रावृता
वस्त्राविद्रा
या वीणा
या वीणा या वीणा
वरदण्ड
परदण्ड परदण्ड
मण्डितकरा
मण्डितकरा मण्डितकरा
या श्वेत
या श्वेत या श्वेत
पद्मासना
पद्मासना पद्म
पद्मासना
पद्मासना
या ब्रह्माच्युत
या ब्रह्माच्युत या ब्रह्माच्युत
शङ्कर
शङ्कर शङ्कर
प्रभृतिभिः
प्रभृतिः प्रभृतिः
देवै
देवै देवै
सदा पूजिता
सदा पूजिता सदा पूजिता
सा मां पातु
सा मां पातु सा मां पातु
सरस्वती
सरस्वती
भगवती
भगवती भगवती
निःशेष
निःशेष निःशेष
जाट्यापहा
जात्यापहा जात्यापहा
Very good. I choose this sloka because there are quite a few samyukta aksharas. That's why I thought that this will be a good start to learn further into reading Sanskrit. So even if you see in the first line, ya kundendu, that in. Hope you will remember the 5 types of writing and reading Samyukta Aksharas that we saw in the last class. The first type is just remove the straight line, right? The na lost its straight line and it combined with the following letter, the. So it became kunde. Because it is they, it became kundendu. Okay. Same happened to the next na as well. Okay. So further, here if you see Shubra, Bra, Bara, okay, with the rule type of Samyukta Akshara about Repaha. Ra, if the Ra appears in the as the first letter, then it becomes like a arc on top of the second letter. If the Ra comes as a second letter, then it just appears as a small stroke in the first letter, right? Hope you will remember these rules. Or, okay, just give me 1 second. Otherwise, let us go back, review the Samyukta Aksharas, and then once again, we will come back to this sloka. Okay, then that might make better sense. Just give me 1 moment. We'll quickly review. Okay. So as we saw, out of 34 consonants, 21 end with a straight line at the end, right? So 2 with a straight line in the middle, and 11 do not have any straight lines at all. Okay. And then we saw this types of Samyukta Akshara. The first one is simply remove the first straight line and combine with the following consonant. Okay. How ik plus ya, right? You remember we took off the straight line and we joined it with the following ya. Even it become kya, sankhya. Okay. I'm not going to go through everything. So what we saw here is in the fifth line, na plus the in the, like how the na lost its straight line and it combined with the following the, so it become in the, right? So that we will be seeing. Okay, that is type 1. Type 2, the second consonant is written below the first one, right? It's usually happens with the ka series. Ikka. When ikka comes, the second ka is written below the first ka. Okay, kukkuraha, ka, ikka, right? Same way, ing plus ka, the ka is written under ing. So, sayankalaha. We saw all these stuff. So, the second consonant is written under the first consonant. That is the second type we saw. Third type, we saw how the second consonant is placed in different position in relation to the first consonant in very irregular positionings. Okay, this we will become very acquainted as we keep learning. Okay, for example, in the first line, if you see id the second dha is written connected to the, like underneath somewhere, vriddha. So same way, id plus va, the straight line is gone. At the same time, it's just that circle is just written under the. Okay, so like that, we don't know where it is not in an order, like compared to the second type where we saw the ka is written exactly under the first ka. It's not like that. The second letter is joined with the first letter in irregular positioning. Okay, that is what we saw as type 3. And at type 4, we saw the repaha. In repaha, what we saw, when the ra comes as the first letter, then it is written, if you see here within brackets, it is written as an arc, right? A chandra, artha chandra, above the second consonant. Okay, when the ra comes as a first letter. Okay, when the ra comes as a second letter, what happens? We just put a straight stroke under the first consonant. Okay, so it becomes pra. Here it is irpa. In the second one, it is pra. Okay, that's what we saw. And of course, we saw irka, like how the ir, when ir comes as the first consonant, then it goes above the second consonant. When ra comes as a second consonant, it is written like a small stroke underneath the first consonant. Okay. Type we saw Nutanaksharam, where instead of both first and second consonants, entirely new letter comes in place. Okay, combining both the first and second consonants. There we saw how we write ish plus va, shwa, and ik plus sha. Ik is different letter, sha is different letter, but here we write an entirely different ksha. And also we saw these are also considered as special vyanjanas. Which ones? Which are the special vyanjanas? Anybody can guess? We saw last time. Anybody remember? Those are here in this list. 3 vyanjanas. One is this ksha. Second one is next one, tra. And then last but one, nya. These 3 are also considered as vyanjanas. Okay, but they are formed by combining two different actual consonants. Okay, when the ja and nya are added, it becomes jnya, and that jnya is also a separate vyanjana. Others are not. Okay, so this is what we saw last time, like how we combine consonants to form samyuktaksharas. Okay, there are exemptions, there are special characters, and in Sanskrit, it is not always just two letters combined. There will be more than two letters also combined to form samyuktaksharas. So don't worry about them. As we keep learning, we will become familiar with all of them. Okay. So any questions on this? Mm-hmm. Yes, Saitya.
Like ஏனது அந்த one letter கூட வைக்கிறது?
I don't get you. Once again.
ஏன் அந்த one letter வந்து கூட போறது?
That's what we are trying to combine the consonants. In Sanskrit, it's always letters are combined, unlike in Tamil and English, where the letters always stand separate, right? In Sanskrit, we combine the letters in different types. That's what we saw in 5 types. One of those types is writing one letter underneath the other letter. Okay? You will get used to all of them because we are going to keep learning more of such combinations as we keep learning. Just give me 1 second. Okay, now coming here. See, ya kundendu, right? Like we saw already. Tushara hara dhavala. Ya shubra. See, the ra is coming here. That is ra. Shubra was. That is tra. Right? Here it's actually 4 letters are combined. What are they? The sa is in the form of is, and then comes it, and then the ra, and then the a. So vastra, right? So 4 letters are combined here. Vastra, and here again va plus ru, bru, right? But this is not samyuktakshara. So what is that? What is that letter? That's kunitakshara, right? So it is actually combining one consonant with the swara. Okay. When you say samyuktakshara, that means you are combining essentially 2 consonants. Okay. So shubra vastra vrita. Okay. Ya kuntendu tushara hara dhavala. Ya shubra vastra vrita. So ya kunda indu tushara hara dhavala. So we are seeing this shloka is for Saraswati Mata. Kunda indu tushara hara dhavala. So Saraswati Mata wears an ornament which is really white in color. Shubra vastra vrita. She also wears the very clean dress, like the what she wears. Okay, Shubra vastra vrita. Vastra means the cloth. Okay, ya veena, next line. Ya veena vara danda mandita kara. We know veena. Veena is she holds the string instrument veena. Vara danda. Danda means a stick. Vara danda mandita kara. Just 1 second. Varadanda Manditakara. So she is holding in her hands what? Veena. Veena, what is that Veena they are telling? Varadanda. Varadanda means it gives, it's made of danda. The danda is a long stick. Danda, which is supposed to give all the boons, vara, to us. Okay, so that's what we say. Ya Veena Varadanda Manditakara. Ya Shweta Batmasana. Shweta means white. Batma is lotus, flower lotus, Batma. Over here again, if you see 2, 3 places, Vara Danda, Danda. If you see Danda, it is a Na which has lost its straight line. Okay, Danda, Nda. In the, it lost the straight line and then it combined with the following consonant Da. So it became Danda. Okay, same here. Mandi, Indi. What happened with the Indi? It's actually the second consonant is D. So the first consonant is Na. So the Na lost its straight line and it combined with the following letter to become D. Indi, Mandi. Okay, Mandi. Takara. Ya. Shweta. Again here, ish plus ve. So the ish lost its straight line, right? Ish is 21, kind of 21, right? We usually write. That straight line is gone, so it became halves, became shwe. Shweta Batmasana. So here, id actually we wrote with the stroke, so it remained as a separate vyanjana. So Shweta Batmasana. Okay. Ya Veena Varadhanda Manditakara. Ya Shweta Batmasana. Okay. So the third line here again. There are interesting facts about the third line. Ya. Ya means the one who. Okay, that's what it means. Ya means the one who. We will see it is actually a feminine word. We will see how they are. They are pronouns. Okay, the one who, it starts from right from starting. The one who holds the veena. That is what it means. Okay. The one who holds the veena. Same way, in the first line also, Ya Kundendu Tushar, the one who has the white ornament again in her neck. Okay. So same thing here also, the one, Ya. Then comes Brahma, Shuta, Shankara, Prabhrutibihi. So there are 3 people they have joined here. Brahma, Achyuta, and Shankara. You now know who they are. Brahma. We are interested in the letters more now, right? So here see Ba plus Ra. Bra. Here, what is the second letter? Here. Anybody? Ha.
Ma.
Ha. Yes, because Brahma. So should I pronounce this as Brahma or Brahma? That is one interesting question always comes. Ha plus ma. Brahma. So now I have to go all the way back. Ha is actually guttural sound. Always it is pronounced like, when it is pronounced independent, it is guttural sound. Oh my goodness, just give me one moment. This thing is going to die. Just give me one moment. I'm just going to get the charger for my laptop. I forgot that. I'm sorry. Sorry. That's good. So it's Brahma or Brahma. Actually, as per the order of the letters, it should be Brahma because Ha comes first, right? Ich plus Ma. So Brahma. So written form is right. Ich actually joined. See, this is actually irregular combination, right? How we saw the consonants, they join together irregularly without any order, right? So same way as combined with ma in between, in the middle. So Brahma, but it is pronounced as Brahma. So as per the Panini rule, when ha is follows follows or ha is combined with any of the Panjamahas. What are the Panjamas? Panjamas are the 5 last letters of Vargiya Vyanjanas. Now, someone is going to tell me what is Vargiya Vyanjana. What is Vargiya Vyanjana? We saw that several times.
Which has classifications, Ka Varga and Ja Varga.
Yeah, the basic 5 Vargas, which has similar pronunciation. So they are pronounced in the same spot. Like if it is guttural, it's always guttural. Ka, ka, ga, ga, right? So same way, cha, cha, ja, ja. So all pronounced in the same spot. So the 5th letters of these Vargiya Vyanjanas, we get nga in the this thing, nyamanga na nam, like in the Maheshwara Sutras, we see Nyamangananam, all the 5 letters of the last letters of the Vargiya Vyanjanas are called Panjamas, okay, in letters, in the consonants. So when those consonants are combined with Ha, the Ha has to come from the Urasya, from the chest, not from the guttural. Usually, Ha is guttural. Ha, right? If just give me 1 second. I think we do have that classification thing. Is that? I think this one. Yeah, there we go. I now have to share another PPT. Just give me 1 moment. I'm going to share this. Okay. If you remember this classification, see where ha is written against guttural. So it has to come from kind of, it's not throat, just near the throat. Ha, right? Ha. But when it combines, these are the 5 panjamas, right? Na, nya, na, ma. Okay? These are the 5 panjamas. So when the ha combines with these 5 panjamas, then it has to be pronounced from the chest. So you yourself pronounce and see how that feels. When you say Brahma, it's more guttural. When you say Brahma, it's more chest. So as per the Paniniya Sutras, it has to come from the chest. So how to pronounce that word? It has to be Brahma, not Brahma. No. Okay. Hope that makes sense. So see, these ones I'm showing you to make you familiarize, particularly these kids, to get familiarized with the letters, because we are going to read more words now. So you have to become familiarized with the letters. Okay. So with that, we will go to our. Is that making sense? What I said about Brahma? Yeah. So we have, it has to be Brahma. Okay. And if you see the next one, ich plus u, the ich cha lost its straight line and became chu. Brahma chuta shankara pra. Again, pra, bru. That is difference between pra and bru. Pra is a samyuktakshara and bru is a gunittakshara. Okay. You have to know what the difference between Gunitakshara and Samyuktakshara by now, or Samyoga Akshara. So otherwise, go back and review all our old videos. Okay. Shankara Prabhriti Vihi Devai Sada Pujita. Devai. Devai means all these devatas, right? Brahma, Achyuta, and Shankara. Brahma, Achyuta is Vishnu. Shankara, all these devatas, they all worship. Worship whom? It's actually the line should be the one who is being worshipped by all these three devatas. Okay, that is how the line is. And then comes final line, Samam Patu Saraswati. Samam. So Sa is pointing that mom or this mom. Mom is mom. Okay, Saraswati is Saraswati. Patu means protect. Bhagavati. Bhagavati is again denoting the Lord Mata. So, Nishesha Jatya Paha. So, we have to hear Bhagavati. Saraswati is Swa. Saraswati, that itself has is plus Va combined. The Sa lost its straight line and became Swa. Saraswati. Bhagavati. Nishesha Jatya Paha. Jatyapaha. What is Nishesha Jatya? Nishesha Jatyapaha means removing all the obstacles. Okay. Paha means obstacle. Apaha means no obstacle. All obstacles. Okay. Nishesha means without any balance. Every obstacles. Okay. Remove. We are asking the Saraswati Mata to protect us by removing all the obstacles without any trace of it. That's what Nishesha Jatya Paha means. Okay. So, Mom Saraswati, please remove all the obstacles without any balance or trace of it. Please remove them and protect us. That's what we are asking Saraswati. So, right from beginning, Yakuntendu Tushara. Tushara, I don't know whether we have Tushara. Do you know what is Tushara mean? It's well connected to Canada. Tushara. Tushara Hara Davala. Once again, it is same. Like the one who Hara means the haram, right? The ornament or the necklace. The one who wears this necklace, which is like Tushara. Tushara means snow. Kundendu, Kunda Indu. Indu means, Indu means moon. And Kunda means jasmine, like white. They just comparing the white color of the necklace that the Saraswati Mata wears. Okay, the one who wears a white necklace, which is like three objects. One is jasmine, or the moon, or the snow. Okay, that kind of a white necklace she wears. Okay, Shubhra Vastra Vita. She wears a clean Vastra. And then she holds a veena, which is made out of a danda, which is supposed to give all the boons we ask for. Okay, Shweta Batmasana. She is sitting on a white lotus. Shweta Batmasana. Okay, Brahmachuda Shankara Pratibhihi Deva. Three devatas. She is the one who is always worshipped by all these three devatas. Sada Pujita, always. And Samam Patu Saraswati. So then we are going back. Okay, that Saraswati Ma'am, please protect us by removing all the obstacles, Nishesha Jatyapaha, without leaving any balance or trace of it. Okay, because we are starting to learn something, so we have to chant these shlokas before starting any learning process. That's what. So Saraswati does believe that Saraswati Mata will help us by removing the obstacles in the process of learning. Okay, so now we are going to chant this. So who's going to chant final time once with me? Yes, Alagar. You are going to follow me. Okay, so everyone is going to chant in mute. So you are going to follow me. Okay, chant
Okay.
after me. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So, ya kuntendu tushara dhavala.
Ya kuntentu tusharaghara dhavala.
One more time.
Ya kuntentu tusharaghara dhavala.
Ya shubhra vrita.
Ya shupravastra Ya shupravastra
Ya veena varadanda manditakara.
Ya veena varadanda manditakara. Ya veena varadanda manditakara.
Ya shveta bhatmasana.
Ya shveta batmasana.
Sorry.
Ya shveta batmasana.
Very good. Ya brahmachuda shankara prabhritibhihi.
Ya Brahmachuda Shankara Prabhudibihi. Ya Brahmachuda Shankara Prabhudibihi.
Devai sadha puchita.
Devai Sada Pujita. Devai Sada Pujita.
Ya samam patu saraswati bhagavati.
Shamam Pahu Saraswati. Patu Saraswati Bhagavati. Samam Patu Saraswati Bhagavati.
Nishesha jadyapaha.
Nishyeshajatyapaka. Nishyeshajatyapaka.
Okay, that is done. So we are going to add this into our prayer shlokas hereafter. Okay, so that we will remember chanting them. Okay, any questions so far? So now we are almost done. I think we have done enough about the letters, and I believe that all of you are practicing writing the letters as well. So we now have to go further to learn more, right? We cannot get stuck with just letters. We have to move forward. So these are all the stuff we saw in learning the Sanskrit letters. We saw swaras. In swaras, we saw hrashva, dirgha, and pluta. And then in vyanjanas, we saw swara, Swarayukta Vyanjanani and Samyukta Vyanjanani. Those are the two different combinations of consonants that we saw. And then we saw Ayogavahaha. In Ayogavahaha, we saw four things: Anuswaraha, Visargaha, Jikva and Upadmanyaha. Anybody remember what they are? Anuswaraha is just putting one dot above, right? It's usually pronounced as but it can be any swaras with a dot on top of it, bindu on top of it. So Visargaha, we know the double dots at the end, right? So aha, that also we saw. We saw aha, ihi, uhu. It just replicates whatever the final swara. Okay, and we saw that it's actually it's stop. Like we have to stop, but which is the right pronunciation. If you see the first here vowels, swara, we have to stop there, but it's hard. Sometimes in the learning process, we might not be able to hear whether we pronounce the visarga or not. That's why we are actually pronouncing in the South Indian way. Swara, ha. Okay, in the North Indian way, it is swara. It is stop. Ayoga, vaha. That's how they usually are Rama, but we say Rama. Ha. So that is better to start with the South Indian way in order to understand better. Okay, that's all. That's what we say Jihva Mulyaha. When the Visarga, if it is followed by Ka series, Ka Varga, it is actually becomes if. Okay. So that is what Jihva Mulyaha. We did see this before. If you have any doubts, you have to go back and refresh the previous videos. Okay. And Ubatmanyaha, the same Visarga, if it is followed by the Pa series, it becomes if, the F sound, of English, if sound. So it becomes Upatmaniyaha. We did see all these stuff in detail before. Please go back and refer to those videos. The last one is Yamavarnaha. That also we saw. Don't worry much about it because it won't be coming much in our Laukika Samskritam. It is mostly used in the Vaidika Samskrita. So don't worry much about that. Okay, so that's all. We are not going to keep reviewing the letters anymore. Okay, so please make a note that you are getting familiar with all the letters and you are also trying to write them. Okay, with that in mind, we are going to start learning the next step. What we now know the letters, so now we need to know the word, right? So then we will form the sentence. So what is a word? Before this practice, before even going to words, so we are going to actually simply practice pronouncing. I think that's what we will have time. This is all different forms of Samyukta Aksharas. So now we will take in turns to actually read these words quickly. Okay, we are not going to take much time. So those who are not very familiar, still not very familiar with the letters, I will help you. Don't worry. I want you each one, at least for each one, like four letters. There are 23, at least five letters. Okay. Sanjana, do you want to try first?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead. The first one. That is Sa. With the line in front of it becomes C. Okay.
C.
What is this first letter here? Da.
Da.
And this one, dha.
Ha.
Okay, and then that is a samyukta akshara, and with swara a, it becomes da. So siddha.
Ha.
And what is this one? Identify this letter.
Na.
Now, fantastic. It's in. And what is the last letter here? You
Na.
can have your consonant and swara letters near you, and then you can let me know. You can see and let me know too. Siddhantaha. Okay?
Da.
Siddhantaha. Si, id, da, in, ta, and visarga. Siddhantaha. Okay? Okay, you're going to try the second one as well. What is the first letter?
Na.
No, I'm sorry. Pa. Pa.
Ha.
It is same here. Da. Okay? Pad.
Ha.
That is ma. Right?
Ha.
So that is a samyukta akshara. Id plus ma, dma. Padma. And this last one, what is this letter?
Ga.
Look at that once more. You just said padma. That is the ma. If that is the ma, and what is this one?
Na.
Ma. Again, same ma, right? Ma. Okay. So ma with a stroke here becomes im. So it becomes pa, id, ma, im. Padmam. Okay. Padmam. Okay. Please keep revising the letters. You can have the letters with you in the next class. Okay. You write all the vowels and the consonants and have it in front of you so that you should be able to read. Like within another 2 or 3 classes, you are going to read all the words. Okay. Make sure you are spending some time to get familiarized with the letters, Sanskrit letters. Okay. Okay. Then the third one. What is the first letter?
A.
Very good. Second one.
Da.
Very good. Da with the stroke becomes ad. Okay. Ad.
Na.
You are very attached to na. See, it is also this one you said ma. This is similar to ma, but there is a hook in the starting. So it is ba. Okay. At ba with the this thing hook underneath becomes boo. Okay.
Bu.
At boo. This one you know by now. What is this letter? Ta.
Ta.
And this one you already know.
Ma.
Ma, right? Ma with a stroke, it is im.
Im.
Okay, so at bhutam. Okay, at
Butam.
bhutam. At bhutam. Okay, and then the last one. 21 sha. With this same hook becomes shu. Okay, okay. The next one, samyukta akshara, which we already saw. The first word has the same letter. What is the first letter here?
Da.
Da. The second one is also dha. So idha, right?
Ha.
And this you know im.
Ma. Im.
Im. So now what is the word? Shu.
Shu. Dim.
Shu yidda. Shuddha.
Shuddha.
And then add this last letter.
Shuddhim.
Shuddham.
Shuddham.
Okay. Shuddham. Okay. What is your mother tongue? Sanjana.
Huh?
What is your mother tongue? What language you speak other than English?
Telugu.
Telugu. శుద్ధం తెలుగులో ఇదే శుద్ధం కదా శుద్ధం ఓకే సో తెలుగులో ఆల్సో do you speak Telugu at home
Yes. Yes.
yeah speak in Telugu not in English at home okay శుద్ధం okay same that these are common words in most of the Indian languages okay so you're going to try one last word the fifth one here the first letter is va plus
Va.
line becomes what same like here this is C then this is
Va.
va here we saw sa became C here right same way va will become
V.
B very good and then what is this letter there are two letters here da with
Va.
and ya okay this
Ya.
ya is written like that we did see this in the last class vidya dia okay vidya
La.
the next, la very good yeah next one
Ha.
yeah
Ya.
right this is the ya which is coming here okay vidya yeah so okay tell me the word
Vidyalayah.
very good you end with the visarga vidyalayaha okay fantastic so let us call the next person who can do of course next one Sahitya you're going to try the other 5 words don't worry I will help you okay the 6 ஆறாவது very good what is this we just saw this இங்க பார்த்தமே fifth id ya id da plus ya okay 2 letters are combined so what is that
Vidya.
adya okay adya okay next one 7th what is this letter we saw what is here siddhantaha first idla paathom same way this is
The
sa with the line after that becomes sa right dirgha and then what is this id okay da it lost its straight line and it combined with what is the next letter here
Ma.
ya ma is the last letter this is ya so yeah, da combined with ya became dia
Yeah.
okay so now read the whole word
Sa.
sa
Sa.
sadyam okay
Sadya.
sadyam sayidyayim sadyam okay okay so remember id plus ya okay this is the same letter which is going to appear in the next word okay go to the 8th what is
Dia.
that first
Dia.
ya plus one line ya right very good ya what is the third letter
Ra.
na
Na. And
very good so read that word the
it.
you said dia right
Ya.
huh.
Na. Dhyanam.
Very good. That's it. So simple. Dhyanam. Right? Dhyanam. Actually, அது தமிழ்லையும் தியானம் தான் இல்லையா most of the language it is same word so the only difference is pronunciation here it is dhyanam that the has to come okay it is not dhyanam it is dhyanam okay that is the only the difference in the pronunciation okay we are coming to the next number 9
Uh. Dya.
Very good. Adya. இது பா முன்னாடி ஒரு கோடு front, there is a line in green. P, right? Pa becomes P.
Adya.
Adyapi. இது என்னது? The first letter ka, right? Ka with the line after that becomes
Ta.
ka. So now read the whole word.
Adhyapita.
Ka. Adhyapika.
Adhyapika.
Fantastic. Adhyapika. Okay. Awesome. Go to the 10th one. You know this. And what is this letter? All the last 3 words have that letter. That is id.
Id.
The next one. Va. Right? So id is combining with va.
Id.
Dwa. Dwa.
Dwa.
Okay, dwa. And what is the next letter? You know that.
Na.
Very good. Na with a line in front of it. Ni. So read that word. Dwa.
Dwa. Ni.
Very good. But there is a visargam. You left the visargam. How do you say? So how do you say that? Dwan.
Dwa. Ni.
Dwanihi.
Dwanihi.
Dwanihi. Okay. Dwanihi. Okay. So simple. Fantastic. Awesome. Keep reading. I will be sharing lots of such words now. Okay. In the group. Keep trying to learn. Don't worry about the meaning. Just keep reading the words. Okay. That is what we need. Okay. So Alagar, with him we are going to take off. I'm going to call Alagar to read the next 5. With that we will stop.
From 11.
From 11, yeah.
Udyanam.
Udya, na, and im. Udyanam. Okay. 12th.
Samanyaha.
Okay.
Samanyaha. Samanyaha.
Samanyaha. Okay. Samanyaha. Okay. Next one.
Dhanyam. Dhanyam.
Dhanyam. Right? Fantastic.
Dhanyam.
So, it is this da which was here in all the 7, 8, 9, 10 and all da. This da in 13, you know, it lost its straight line and become d. Okay. So dvanihi, adhyapika. So all d, it is this da. Okay. So dhanyam. Very good. Next one.
Samaptam.
Very good. So that is the samyukta akshara. Ip plus ta. Okay, yip, pa. Do we have a pa here? Yeah, pika. The pa here. You know, this pa has combined with this ta. So it become ipta. It lost its straight line and become ipta. So sa, ma, ip, ta, im. Samaptam. Okay. Samaptam. Okay. Last one.
Swapnaha.
Very good. See, that is plus va. It both are samyukta aksharas. Is plus va became swa and yip plus na become na. Na. Okay. Swapnaha. Swapnaha. Okay. So I think we have to stop here. So any questions so far? I think we are good here for now. Please read and practice the letters, mainly the 3 kids, because the other adults are actually waiting for you guys to catch up. So once you are ready, then we will go reading more faster, learning more faster. Okay, please practice writing and with repetition. Okay, when you write, you also pronounce the letters so that you become familiar with the letters. Okay, so keep doing that. With that, from the next class, we will see further reading Sanskrit. Okay, with that, we will take off for today. Okay, what happened, Sahitya?
நாங்க வந்து அந்த நீங்க அந்த ஸ்கிரிப்ட் பத்தி ஸ்லோகம் சொல்லி நீங்க அதுவும் practice பண்ணணுமா?
Ama. Pannikonga. That's better. I will share that also. Please, we are going to chant this Saraswati slogam as well with the other our prarthana shlokas every day. Okay. So we will be learning more shlokas in the coming. We will try to learn one by one. Okay, one shlokas for every devata. Okay, all good. Thank you so much, all of you. See you next week, Sunday. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
ధన్యవాదः.
Namaskar.
Namaskar. Namaskar. Namaskar. Dhanyawada, Ji. Thank you.